If you had a cancer and they said that you got 50% chance to live if they operate, how many of you people gonna get the operation? Well, hey, we got a cancer. And that cancer is this colonialism, neocolonialism, and this control, treating us like we some kind of kids. We got to ask them for help. You know, I think it was Trump that just said we so need his help so bad that we're standing in line just to kiss his, you know what? Yeah, he has a habit of saying those kind of things.
In the history of our country. And don't let some of these politicians go around saying, you know, because I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my ass. They are dying to make a deal. Please, please, sir, make a deal. I'll do anything. I'll do anything, sir. And then I'll see some rebel Republican, you know, some guy that wants to grandstand, say, I think that Congress should take over negotiations. Let me tell you, you don't negotiate like I negotiate.
It is not impossible for us to win. We got to just keep doing it. Because you know what? They need us in order to have them build those planes. They need us in order to do a whole bunch of stuff. They need us. They got to come over here and get it. They didn't need Vietnam. They didn't need Korea. They didn't need all these countries that they didn't win at. Korea, they still in Korea. 1955. And North Korea is still communist. And South Korea has the burden of having American military troop inside their country for years. 1955. Afghanistan wrapped it up, left your money out there in the fields of Afghanistan, in the mountains of Afghanistan, and they left all that equipment for those people. What do they call them? I call them insurgents. What do they call them? Yeah, those people. Those people that are causing havoc in all these countries. They don't belong to a country. They're just Al-Qaeda, ISIS, and JMN, and whatever the name they get, initials they got. Because their army, have you realized that their army is bigger? The only thing is, look at Syria. They turned Syria over to a guy that's an Al-Qaeda guy. Can you imagine? The very people we're fighting, now Trump turned Syria over to them because got bombing in Syria. They keep bombing Syria to get that guy that was a president of Syria out of that country. Hey, this is Jamila, and you're watching Africa Speak.